So here I'm getting started about adding 6 whole sliced potatoes right into my crock pot. On top of that, 1 cup of milk you're gonna wanna pour right on top of those delicious potatoes. Ooh, so creamy. We will add 1 cup of water and check it out. We are going to top it with this country gravy mix. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. So you're gonna wanna sprinkle that all right on top of those potatoes. Ooh, yeah. To make it even better, we'll throw in some cheddar cheese. Of course, you can do your liking, your choice, whatever you would like. We're gonna go for about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna grab some already pre-cooked bacon. Of course, this isn't necessary to make these delicious potatoes, but I just wanna kick it up a notch and I just wanted to be fast and easy about it. So I went and grabbed the kind that was already cooked, and then that way as it bakes in with these potatoes and the cheese, all of that flavor is just gonna go right in to these amazing potatoes. So we have the holiday season coming up and we have fall, we have cold weather, and there's nothing that I can think of more than a delicious side of creamy potatoes. So we're doing a twist on a scallop potato here by using some gravy mixture, and we're throwing it in our crock pot because then we don't have to think about it and it stays nice and warm and it serves perfectly along the side of so many meals. So you can tell I'm just continuing to cut all of this bacon up, and bam, there we go. We finally succeeded. So give that a mix so we mix in the bacon and the cheese. We want it all nice and mixed together. Wow, this is looking so good. So we have this all nice and mixed up. I can see the cheese, the bacon, I can smell it. It smells delicious. Now, of course, I'm gonna take a little bit more cheese because I have plenty left, and I'm gonna make a nice layer right on top because sometimes those scallop potatoes, tell me not, is it your favorite layer the one that is at the top with all the potatoes?
Yeah.
So let's make that here. So we're just gonna layer a nice layer of cheese right on there. Bam, there we go. And we'll cover this bad boy up right here. Voila. Okay, you guys, we are gonna cook this on high. It's gonna cook for about 3 to 4 hours, and stick around because these are gonna be the best potatoes. Oof, you're gonna love them. Okay, our potatoes are finally done. Wow, those look amazing. I've been patiently waiting for them. I am definitely gonna throw on here some green onion just to top right at the top. Look at all of that cheese and those potatoes. I can smell that little bit of bacon that we put in there. Oh, I did turn off the crock pot. It was bubbling, so I know that these are really hot, but man, I can't wait to dig in. I'm just gonna put 1 more chop of green onion because I love it. And then, hey, maybe just some on the side in case anyone else wants some extra. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Gosh, how easy this was and creamy these potatoes are. Holy cow, look at how creamy those potatoes are from using that gravy mix. Wow, those look so amazing. Oh, look at that. Do you see I'm steaming up?
Because you're hot.
Thanks, babe. Thank you for being my biggest cheerleader. Okay, so I don't want to burn my mouth, so I'm going to take a second here. Give it a little mom blow and just look at that. Oh my gosh, there's nothing I love better than a little bit of bacon, some green onion, the creaminess, and that gravy mixture to use in the scallop potatoes for the crock pot is a home run, you guys. That is like the greatest hack known to mankind. All right. Yeah. It is so hot. But so good, especially with that layer of cheese on the top. Wow, I'm gonna need to let these cool down for a little bit before I dig in more, but oh my God, so cheesy, creamy, delicious. The gravy, the bacon, the chives. Wow, I hope you guys love this easy recipe. Let me know if there's anything that you do different. Maybe you'd add the bacon, maybe you wouldn't. I don't know. Are you gonna keep it nice and easy and simple? Or are you gonna throw in bacon? Do you think that they even belong in scalloped potatoes? You tell me all your thoughts, you guys. I'm gonna dig in here, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.